Hello and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to view saved places on Waze. Saved places help you quickly navigate to locations you visit often, like home, work, or favorite spots. Open the Waze app and look at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the search icon. Once the search screen opens, tap on Saved. Here you will see all your saved locations in one list. You can tap on any saved place to start navigation instantly. If you tap and hold on a saved place, you can edit its name, change details, or remove it completely. If you want to add a new saved place, simply search for a location, tap on it, and choose Save Place. Using saved places saves time and makes navigation much faster, especially for daily travel. If you enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what Waze feature you want next. Thanks for watching.